Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to be talking about traffic generation using Google Hangouts. And we've already talked about YouTube videos, and the next logical extension, of course, is going to be to move on to Google Hangouts. Now if you don't know anything about Google Hangouts, a Google Hangout is like having your own private webinar inside of the Google social network Google+. A Google Hangout is a live streaming internet event. So people can attend from their desktop computer. People can attend live from their mobile device. Any place where they have an internet connection, they can attend your live event. Now, probably one of the best things about the Google Hangout system is that once the event is over, the recording of the event stays on YouTube for others to watch. In fact, it becomes just like a YouTube video. So Google Hangouts combines the best of YouTube and webinars in order to drive targeted buyers to your offer. One way to think about Google Hangouts is to move your e-list subscribers closer to a purchase through your live presentation. So you are always going to have email subscribers who are not going to be ready to buy right away. Now, you can move them closer to that buying position by getting them to attend a Google Hangout where you can do a live presentation and influence them in order to buy. Now, one of the reasons that marketers are using Google Hangouts so much is because live events convert prospects to buyers in ways that sales letters cannot convert them. And in fact, a Google Hangout, much like a webinar, is like presenting your sales letter, except you're doing it in a live format. So it's taking the sales letter and you're doing a live presentation and you're trying to move people closer and closer to the purchase point. Now, once your Hangout is over, you'll want to create a title in YouTube, a description and tags as if it were the YouTube video that we described in a previous video instructional. Now, once your Hangout is over, you'll want to create a title, description, and tags as if it were a YouTube video. Now, this will bring you more traffic because some people will find the video as a result of being in YouTube. You want to make sure that your links in the video the links are in the video as well as the description area. So you want to treat this as if it were a YouTube video that people are going to find in organic search and inside of YouTube. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this method is difficult to generate sales for affiliate. However, it's a great way to create content once and then to attract your ideal prospect. It probably serves the same purpose for those of who have been involved in internet marketing for a long time that an article directory used to provide. It really is a source of general content where people are looking for solutions, and if you have that solution, they will reward you often by visiting your website and checking out your profile. And this is what you want to do with Google Hangouts and your live events. So as you start to create content, some for video, consider creating some of it live, creating an event for your email subscribers and for others to attend so that you can move them along the line toward becoming a buyer. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.